Oh, hello guys. So, kumusta kayo guys? How are you today? Kumusta ang update niyo dyan guys? Kita niyo sa labas guys. Ayan. Ayun. Ayun guys. And then, Miming. So, yun. Yun lang guys. How are you? I hope you have a good day. And keep safe everyone. God bless us. Thank you for watching guys.